Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a chrome exhaust finisher on a 2012 Toyota Highlander. This is going to be 3 years that's going to be the same, I believe 2011 and 2013. I'm not sure about the 2008 through 2010. It might be the same, but check with your Toyota deal, I guess. So the part number for this I'm using is PT18A-48090. So again, that's going to be for the chrome exhaust finisher. As you can see here, it comes with the instructions, and it comes here with the tightening bolt for the muffler and the chrome exhaust tip. So you're going to need a 15mm to tighten up the bolt. So again, it's a 15mm, and instructions are pretty self-explanatory. You're just mounting on the exhaust. As you can see here in figure 1.1-2, it says on the nut on the left side facing down. So that's what the position you gotta face it on. So I'm gonna put it on and I'll show you guys in a minute. Alright, you can see here, this is where you would mount the exhaust finisher. So just make sure the nut is on the left side, the bolt, and you just slide the tail finisher on it. That's all you gotta do. So give me a second. Alright, so as soon as you mount the exhaust finisher, just make sure the bolt is facing on the left side like I said, and just tighten the nut. Make sure you push it all the way through. So that's what it looks like, and I'm gonna tighten this, and that's about it. Alright guys, so I finished tightening up the bolt here, and just gotta make sure it's tightened. So I'm shaking it right now. Everything looks secure. So yeah, that's what it looks like. So just give it a wiggle, and it's bolted on, and that's how easy it is. You just gotta make sure you also maybe have like a ratchet or a deep socket, 15mm, and basically tighten that bolt. So the bolt is right there, easy to get to, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.